Hello everyone, I am Mariel K. Yebsen, and today I will be sharing my understanding and reaction on a topic which is the types of communication according to mode, context, purpose, and style. So communication is something we do every day, whether we talk to others, text online, express emotions, or even just think. So that is why it is important to understand how communication works because it helps us connect and express ourselves better. So first, we have the types of communication according to mode, which refers to the way communication is delivered. So the first one is verbal communication, which uses spoken or written words. Examples include face-to-face conversations, chatting, texting, phone calls, or writing letters and messages. The second one is nonverbal communication, which does not use words but instead uses actions to express meaning. So this includes gestures, facial expressions, posture, tone of voice, and eye contact. So sometimes nonverbal messages can say more than words. Next, we have types of communication according to context, which depends on how we are communicating with and where the communication happens. So the first type is intrapersonal communication, which is communication within ourselves. So this happens when we think, reflect, or imagine things in our mind. Then the second type is interpersonal communication, which is communication between two or more people, either face-to-face or through digital means. So this includes conversations with family, friends, or classmates. Then the third type is extended communication, which involves the use of technology such as television, radio, social media, or video conferencing to send messages. Then the fourth type is organizational communication, so which takes place within groups or institutions such as schools or workplaces. So this helps maintain teamwork, coordination, and order. In addition, there are different organizational communication structures. So first is downward communication flows from a higher position to a lower one, like teachers giving instructions to their students. Then second is upward communication flows from a lower position to a higher one, like students giving feedback to their teachers. Then third one is horizontal communication, so it happens between individuals on the same levels, like classmates working together on their group projects. Then four is crosswise communication occurs when individuals from different departments or areas coordinate tasks. Then there are also informal communication, so it includes casual conversations or chica among members. So lastly, communication can differ based on purpose and style. So formal communication uses proper language and is used in official settings like speeches, academic reports, or business letters. So on the other hand, informal communication is more causal and is used in everyday conversations with friends and families. So it is relaxed and natural after seeing texting, chatting, or casual group talk. So for my reaction, I realized that communication is not just about talking. So it involves our gestures, emotions, thoughts, and the situations we are in. So understanding these types of communication helps us choose the right way to express ourselves depending on the people we are talking to. So communication is a big part of our lives. especially as students, and being aware of how we communicate can help us improve relationships and avoid misunderstandings. So, this ends my presentation. Thank you for listening, and I hope you learned something today.